going to start. This one's been sitting too, but I think it's going to go. Let's see what happens here. No starting fluid this time. It's primed. No, that's pretty easy. Wasn't here in the fuel pump. That's the fans. There we go. Let's see what happens now. Now, like I was saying, this thing's tuned up. Thing up. Just new wires and plugs. It's an original, Fox body type distributor. You see, I'm using the second and third from the bottom there. Coming over to the coil, and then one of them goes up to the little sniper coil on there. See if it'll kick down a little bit. It's good. Or I can do this right here. See this little screw right here? How about that? Not easy to find for an automatic. You can get them all day long for the Vide automatic, or expensive. You can find them if they're expensive. Hope you like that. I'm going to get it out on the street, make some videos on that. Battery is totally dead. Over 5 years, about 5 years old. So you need a new battery. This should work. about it. Original engine. That is the original engine. Converted it over from electronic EFI, electronic fuel test with the 4-barrel. There it is. Yeah, hope you have a great day. Let's turn that idle screw again. Let's get this to idle as low as it can. It's a symphony. See what it's showing on the dash here. About 800. If I put it in gear, I know it'll stall, so I have to bump the idle up when I'm actually driving the thing. I think that's as low as it'll go. Let me try it. See what we got here. I think I'm... Well, it went down a little bit more. Of course, we got to hear it. I told you it's tuned up. What do we got now? 750. So that's that. That's that. And more to come on this thing.